Right now in Warsaw it's 22 and sunny. Today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecast high of 24 and a low of 12.
Weather in Nepal.
Right now in Kathmandu it's 25 with showers. Today, there'll be thunderstorms, with a forecast high of 25 and a low of 18.
Weather in Rome.
Currently in Rome it's 23 with showers. Today, it'll be raining, with a forecast high of 28 and a low of 19.
Weather in Sri Lanka.
Right now in Colombo it's 27 with rain. Today, there'll be thunderstorms, with a forecast high of 31 and a low of 26. Due to the current humidity, it feels like it's 31.
Weather in Mount Everest.
Right now in Mount Everest it's minus 14 degrees Celsius with snow showers. Today, there'll be snow showers, with a forecast high of minus 14 and a low of minus 16.